demostración usando, I'm gonna make a demonstration using this iron wheel as a toroid shield. The flux of the magnet is gonna I'm gonna show a demonstration how this is going to work. Okay. This is the cover. Here we have the face of the magnet. This is north. When this point goes here, it's gonna meet this toroid. The toroid is gonna be like here. Okay, and they are gonna open in the attraction mode. And how that interaction is going to be, I'm gonna make a simple demonstration. Magnet is gonna go to this point, like this. See? And it's gonna roll over the face of the magnet. Like that. Little hard. And it's gonna come out at this point, it's gonna detach. I have to put a plastic cover here to prevent the damage of the face. Okay, again, I'm gonna come through here. See, easy. It's gonna roll. It's gonna roll and detach to the other side. See? Okay. These are horizontal shield. You go through there to there to here. Okay, and then the magnets, the two pairs, is gonna go attraction mode here. There. See? I'm gonna do like that. Whoop. And then at this point it's gonna meet the toroid joint and a mechanism that I have to build. I have to build one, design one first, and build it here in this area. Okay. Okay, when he gets here, he's gonna meet the toroid. It's gonna attach to the toroid, and then it's gonna move with the help of other geomagnets that's gonna push, make the force push to that point, and then it's gonna repeat over here. See, this is a short cycle. Then it's gonna repeat again over here. Whoop. And then it's gonna repeat and repeat. I had to build a mechanism here. Then this central gear is a magnet too. This one gonna make that this pair goes to this angle like that. It's gonna go until there, that point. Bang. And then the flux of attraction of the toroid gonna make it go farther more and repeat the cycle. Whoop. And that's it. The trick here is when they open in here in the attraction mode, you have to have a good mechanism of shear attraction. So it's more, when he gets to this point, it's going to be more easy, more smooth to move with the help of the other pair of magnets that I have it over there. See? This is the other pair that's gonna interact. This pair is gonna be a part of the symmetry of this one, and they're gonna attach to here. Okay, this cover is a little soft, but I'm gonna use it because there's no other thing to use. I had to put a plastic cover here to protect so it doesn't bend or crack here. Bend or crack, or black crack like that, you see? So it's okay. Then it's gonna move like that. It's protected here. Okay. And that's it.